Hey and good morning, beautiful people. So today I'm going to do a quick makeup look. Y'all, I really am loving my skin right now. I am loving it down. Okay, it is very glowy. I do have a couple of acne marks that I am about to cover today, but I want to go for like the very much like no makeup look. So today I am going to try and just conceal some spots and see if I can keep it pushing. I do have quite a bit, but basically I just want to kiss it a little bit with a little bit of makeup, sprucing it up a little bit. So for starters, I got some drawers. All right, so she needs to get organized. She ain't even gonna front, okay? But I have like all my foundation and stuff is like really in here. Yeah, I need to get this thing. I'm going to take my primer and my concealer. I'm going to keep my foundation up here just in case. And I'm going to take my finish powder. I don't have setting powder because I ran out and I just didn't get it. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my setting spray. Everything is off as you see. So then I have like random stuff like lashes, more lashes, and some press-ons that I have not worn. And this concealer goes up here. So then under here I got my brushes and my brush cleaner or whatever. So for this I am going to maybe I'll take this to set with, since I'm working in like small areas. And then some of these brushes is sad. Like, look at this. I've had this for years, but the bristles is still holding on, so it's surviving. But I am going to take this brush right here, this foundation brush. I love it. It gives me good control. So now that we don't got that fun out of the way, I am going to go ahead and prime my face. I guess I'll start in areas that I'm doing first and just work in sections to try to gain better control. Otherwise I am going to be all over my face. I know it. So again, I just want like something light. So I'm like, come on. Ooh, ooh, okay, go ahead and put that in there. I know I'm gonna be in this area because I got a couple of marks right here. Up here, I'm focusing on up here with the primer because I don't feel like I need any makeup right there. Just like where the marks are. This concealer that I'm using, I actually got this from TikTok. They had a site. This is Plain and Makeup by Yolanda. This concealer, it matches me so good. I did their match quiz, and baby, look at this, you know. So I'm gonna work that in there. You see how it's like going? And I'm just gonna buffer to the best of my ability to like kind of try my best to give it a natural look. Then I'm gonna go down here, same thing. So even if it's like showing, I'm really not going for a full makeup look. I just want it to be a little bit more controlled in a sense, you know, like with the marks. Like I just wanted to chill out a bit because these marks be acting crazy sometimes. So sometimes we're too busy to like do a full face of makeup. So I think like once we get this stuff down pat and like become pros at the easy stuff, like the quicker way to do stuff, we don't rig the game, you know what I'm saying? We don't win. So under here it's gonna be a little bit more challenging because these marks is dark. But like all of this is my fault. I take full responsibility because I just be popping away. And obviously you see how my face is? I don't recommend you doing that, okay? I just be wanting to wash my face quick, and like when I be doing my makeup, like it be a whole bunch. Like this one is dark. Y'all see that one? And boom, there it is. Or it's not. But this cheek has a lot of discoloration because I burnt this cheek. That's why doing facials and all that, you follow the guides, okay? Because I burnt my skin trying to do too much by my goddamn self. And my I have not been back to get my facials, so she has not seen it yet. She will, because she got them before and after pics. So I just gotta pick up where I left off at and keep doing my treatments. I took a break because it is summer and I'm not trying to hide from the sun. I do still use sunscreen because I'm not making myself go backwards. Absolutely not. But the fact that I can use a little makeup says a lot, because at one point this would not have been enough, I promise you. And it's like, that's okay, because one thing about it is we gonna go through something, you know. It just depends on how you get up from what you go through. And for me, it's my skin, you know. I'm just gonna take the finger that has a little bit of concealer on it and just go gently under, just because I don't know, the eyes was looking a little, yeah, I feel like that kind of blends it better. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add this powder to set this. And I just do the whole face because I have on sunscreen, and if I don't, it's just gonna look super shiny in some spots versus others. So, and don't mind my voice, it just be doing whatever it wants. It gets very deep at times. Ever since I got my tonsils taken out, it just goes very deep at times. I just deal with it, whatever that is. And we set it. I got a lash hanging somewhere, but now I'm going to see it. Dang, that's a lot of lashes. I know some of y'all are probably like, well, what's the point of doing your makeup if you only gonna put on concealer and all that? Y'all see the difference. Y'all see the before and after. It don't have to be much. I think like when a lot of times we think of makeup, we think of like overdoing it and, you know, a full, you know, ain't nothing wrong with going in heavy, but like you don't always have to wear your makeup like that. Like simplicity sometimes is just enough. And for me, that's what today's vibe is giving. I just want to look soft and fresh, as fresh as I am. Because, you know, I'm freshly off the shower, fresh washed hair, teeth clean, like, this is, you know. So right now, while I'm in the process of getting my skin clear, this helps me feel like I'm fully into my soft aesthetic, because my skin is not 100% clear right now. You know, I still even have like marks right here that I'm working on and stuff. But you can have that soft girl aesthetic or that soft aesthetic period without being completely together. Don't wait to get together, to get all the way together to do stuff. Just show up and do it, because at the end of the day, it's a mindset. Like, just change your mindset, change up how you show up in your life, change that routine, and the things that you want will come. But thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more, because I don't know what that was. My intrusive thoughts just start taking over. But I will be back with more videos. So stay soft, stay girly, stay cute. It's you, okay? Peace.